Yo, what's up? So now we are in Nusa Dua. I know that most of you are asking, when are you going to Nusa Dua and how it is now in Nusa Dua? So yes, let's see how it is. So this is a very important notice for those people who wants to go to Nusa Dua. So you have to prepare your booking confirmation. So Nusa Dua actually closed for public unless you are staying there or maybe you are going to the restaurant. So today we will go to hotel, so we will have a full day pass so we can show you how Nusa Dua, because if we didn't go to the restaurant, maybe they didn't let us to go inside. So as you see, this one is the requirement whenever you go to inside Nusa Dua. So if you are tourists, you have to show the booking confirmation. If you are the workers, you have to show the ID card. And if you are supplier, technician, contractor, you have to show the paper. And also if you are doing meeting, you have to show the invitation. And yeah, so nowadays why busy? It's because they are the workers from the Nusa Dua inside.
Alright, as Winnie said, that's the restrictions to coming to Nusa Dua right now. And over there where we are walking on the streets, usually there are merchandise shops, restaurants and everything.
This famous Mr. Bob Bar and Grill.
But unfortunately, morning. Oh, the some side is friendly as always. But unfortunately, all the stalls here are closed. Check this out. We just parked our Jimny next to the beautiful brand new Alphard. By the way, so many very nice cars in this parking area, and it's quite busy. So that means something. We will see what is inside. And that's how it looks, the lobby situation. And it's quite busy and very many important people here. And there is even the police here for security. So looks pretty serious. Alright, we are inside the hotel and this is how it looks, the lobby situation in the Merusaka hotel. That was the ex Inaya Putri hotel. They changed the name right now currently, so that looks very beautiful as always. And that's how it looks, the hotel from outside, from the gardens. That's the lobby, beautiful gardens, and the main hotel. This is the restaurant. So many people having a breakfast right now. We're not gonna disturb them how they eat breakfast, however, that's how it looks. Alright, now we are heading to restaurant on the beach. By the way, these all people who are sitting here in the restaurant and in the hotel, in the lobby and everywhere, they are mostly people from the government, from the program of working from Bali, right, Sayang?
Yeah, so and then I saw that there is one political party meeting here in Merusaka Nusa Dua, so that's why so many people, but we didn't want to show you how busy in the restaurant. So let's go to the beach straightforward.
And we will see.
Yeah, we will see, and then maybe we will sit somewhere later on.
And I will show you a beautiful hotel. It's really nice hotel here. Alright, so Winnie is going to organize our day pass because in lobby we didn't get actually informations. They said have to come here. And that's how it looks, the hotel, 360 degree. That's the swimming pool at the front right now, as you see. And the beautiful gardens, lobby. Alright, so we already organized our day pass in the hotel. They're still preparing everything. Whoa, that was the squirrel on the scares me.
Okay, so we will walk and stroll around Nusa Dua and see how it is Nusa Dua nowadays. Because we see that in the hotel so busy from the government. So yeah, well actually that nowadays in Nusa Dua actually there are 16 hotels that are used for the work from Bali by the government. So I think that one of them is the Merusaka Nusa Dua or Inaya Putri, Hotel Putri Bali. But behind me this one, you see this is very nice hotel. This is Grand Hyatt Hotel. I think that this hotel also used by the government. Well, many people also asking us, is Bali gonna open in July? So yeah, there is no official statement. Again, there is no official statement decision from the government yet. As you know that Indonesian government system is from top to the bottom. It means like all the decision makers, policy makers is coming from the top. I mean from the center of the government in Jakarta. So we are still waiting for the decision from Jakarta. So as you see, as you heard that many rumors coming from maybe the government in Bali, but yeah, all the decision is coming from the center government in Jakarta. So there is no official statement yet, so we don't know is Bali gonna open in July or not.
Workers, because this hotel actually looks at the front very quiet, and in general path here, as you see, nobody's around. But in the hotel where we are now, where we were now, it's so busy. Yes, honey?
Yeah, because Merusaka actually BUMN, or it's called a government company hotel. So yeah, that's why it's busy. The people coming from the government nowadays, they're in the hotel.
But this one looks beautiful but so quiet. And the beach on the other side. And that's how it looks on the beach over here. As you see, the beach is beautiful, wide, and so empty. That's unbelievable, as nobody is here. So that's pretty sad. But yeah, Nusa Dua unfortunately is closed for the public access and no tourists here. So hot, but I want to make this shot to show you, as I'm only one on this beautiful beach in Nusa Dua right now. So obviously it's no tourists, only the workers from government in the hotel, so they work during this time, and I'm only the one on the beach right now, so I can enjoy the beautiful beach in Nusa Dua by myself. But it's anyway so super hot. It's really hot in Nusa Dua. Alright, so that's how it looks inside the hotel. One more time, we just come back and we are going to change. We just got the towels. Unfortunately the restaurants are still closed, so only swimming, but still not so bad. At least we can enjoy the pool. And quickly I'm gonna show you how it looks there. There are actually some tourists over here also. They are just come from somewhere. And how it looks the beach. Well, obviously empty, beautiful beach everywhere around. Meanwhile, check this out, this beautiful lady opening the coconut. Very strong this morning. Just be careful, yeah? Alright, I'm gonna get some drink. So the situation looks like this. Got my drink. Why is so bright? Okay, much better right now. So hot in Nusa Dua, by the way, in general in Bali. So got my drink, one Coke, one orange water, and I paid 40,000 rupiah for that in the Warung, where it's somewhere 700 meters at least from the hotel. And the problem is everything is closed at morning in Nusa Dua. Every restaurant in the hotel except the breakfast hotel where you are guest, like when you're staying in the room. And that's how it looks like. We're gonna chill in the pool. We pay for the towel rental, 25,000, which is, well, obviously not so bad. At least we can come inside Nusa Dua, make a vlog and show you how it looks like. But well, don't expect much because not much is happening. In my opinion, it's great to come to Nusa Dua right now if you wanna enjoy the resort and beautiful beach like this one just for yourself. But if you are thinking to having a, I don't know, all-inclusive holidays in Nusa Dua, I think that's not the time right now, and that's probably will be when the border is gonna be open and hundreds of thousands of people, of you tourists like this will come. Then the hotel's gonna start selling again. But right now you cannot even grab the drink. so hard, actually so hard, and it's so hot. So that's the good actually way, if you can come to Bali right now, to enjoy the sunshine and the heat of Bali, because in Australia it's cold. Every day somebody complains of 10 degrees, almost like in Poland during the spring or autumn. Alright, Sayang decide to jump to the ocean. Just be careful, honey.
Let's swim in the pool.
Okay. And this is the another pool. I don't know, main pool maybe, but not beachfront. Also very nice, very beautiful, and also very empty. Well, obviously the people who are staying in this hotel, they are working. and so they are not really enjoying the facilities of the hotel. Maybe later after the working time.
So Damian is deep in the pool, and yeah, we are chilling by the pool close by the restaurant. So nice, beautiful. Yeah, and right behind us is the restaurant actually, and then as you see many people in the restaurant. Yeah, they are business people who are happy, enjoying their time, working. I don't know, like having a meeting, laugh, and enjoying their life. So nice. And Damian enjoying his life also. Everybody is happy here in Nusa Dua, right?
We are very lucky we got the taxi. Hotel taxi. Very lucky, nothing to complain.
Very nice.
Meeting from government and
Uh-huh.
party.
So 90% nowadays in the hotel.
Yes.
Wow, the meeting from government so good then.
Alright, we just get the free taxi by this beautiful guy who is working here. He said that there is 90% of hotel occupancy because of special event and official workers.
And
which
then
is-
they are coming for a political party also having meeting here in the
which is super cool. Okay, so if you are already here, we're gonna have a look how it looks the Bali collection, because we make a few vlogs in the malls. We will see how the Nusa Dua mall look like.
Okay, so now we are in Bali collections. As you see, some shops are still closed. But yeah, let's see. But there are signs some restaurants are open.
I think we need a little bit messed up. Actually, most of restaurants are still unfortunately closed, and some are open, which is looking for coffee. I hope so. I'm gonna get my morning coffee today. I think I got very bad sunburn this morning also.
Let's see.
Anyway, that's how it looks. Bali Bali collection. 360 degree from the one entrance, just to feel the vibe. How does it feel? Quicksilver is open actually, so if you wanna have a shorts or bikini, you can buy it. Sayang working alone through the Bali collection. Here's some restaurant. Basically, everything is like stuck in the moment. Coco Market, he have a still Christmas tree at the front. It looks like really like stuck in the moment. And honey, Sayang only by herself here. This place stuck in the moment. Yeah, beautiful coconut trees.
So this place is closed almost 1.5 year. Oh my goodness.
So hot. Everything is actually closed, not even place for the coffee. But check this out. What is this? Electric cars in Nusa Dua? It's not Tesla, but some kind of electric cars. I really wanna see. Wow, that looks fancy. This is actually some sort of Toyotas here. Not paid endorsement for Toyota anyway. This is only one drive, and here is something. Looks cool. Wonder if I can rent this.
Honey, this is a brand new car from Toyota and this is electric car and the guy said it is rented. Berapa nih Kak?
88.000
88k per
per 1 hour.
1 hour for 2 people.
Not so bad.
Not so bad. Lihat di dalamnya. Let's see how it is inside. You know, I never been driving with electric car. Look, looks so comfy, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, looks fancy.
so nice. Wow, and then
Ini
you
masih
can.
pakai AC, kadang kan kalau one seaternya pakai kipas.
Oh, so they have two types of car, 2 seaters and 1 seater. Harganya sama,
Beda.
88.
Itu 55.000.
Oh, the 1 seater 55k per hour and this one 2 seater 88. So seems like Damian wanna try it. Honey, don't break it lah.
It's just me big. No, it's nice. Okay, let's have a ride one day, yes? Not today, but next time.
Ah, nice. Oh, so this car was published officially 1 April by the minister ya Pak ya? By Pak Menteri, Minister of Tourism. Oh, so nice. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Nusa Dua. This is for you guys who already missed Nusa Dua vibe and area. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.